Intercultural Project Stage 3 Plan B. My name is Elena Maria Farfan, and the questions in the project number 1 is the job important in the future, and I think in the job important in the future she is engineering, aerospatial, others relationate. Question number 2 is the teachers important in the future influence in relationate with present and the future. My answer is I think is most important because is relationate um, um, with children's, youngs, universities, um, different persons, um, collaborate in the world because in the future most dynamic and most intelligent, most important in the life the persons.